like a bourbon lemonade.
It really is.
This Saturday, we've got an American classic all the way back before even the 1800s. The Bourbon Smash. It's got mint and lemon. No, I mean boozy as in it had 2 ounces.
I don't really taste any of the booze.
So don't forget to like and subscribe. Like, that's boozy. That's a boozy drink.
I don't think it's very boozy at all.
I taste the flavor of Bullet. I don't taste the alcohol.
Maybe you should make one more just to...
And let's get drinking.
All right. You said this is an old classic?
It is. It
That's
is.
cool. I like it.
Yeah. It was popularized, though, in like 1960.
Well,
Repopularized, actually, because the 1800s, smashes were really popular. So they kind of died off in the 20s, though.
aren't they like related to the juleps?
Yeah.
That's
the
cool.
only
And
difference.
the Kentucky Derby just happened. not so long
Yeah.
ago.
And the only difference really is the julep, you swizzle or stir with your bar spoon, and a smash, you use your muddler.
Hey, that's cool. Hey, that's good to know.
Yeah,
All
but
right.
I did see also that they kind of go both ways. Some people will smash their juleps, so
Well, no smashing the julep.
yes, that's right. Okay, so while I'm getting some stuff in here, would you go ahead and get some wedges of lemon for
I
me?
sure can.
Awesome, thank you. So, first thing we gotta do in our bourbon smash is 2 ounces of Bullet bourbon. Let's go ahead and get that rolling. Whoops, 1 and a spill, 2 and a teeny tiny spill. Oh, and now we need 4 wedges of lemon.
All right.
1, 2,
3,
3, 4. And they say to put a small handful of mint. So I'm just gonna take that as 1 sprig. So that's what we're gonna do.
Hey, it works.
That's right. 2 dashes of, I'm probably saying this wrong, Angostura, maybe I'm saying that right, bitters.
Hey, don't be bitter
1,
about it though.
2. You're right. I'm trying to just not be bitter, but this drink is just making me. And we also have some simple syrup. And once
Ooh.
again, we've got our, well,
Cane sugar.
cane sugar, our
That
real
is-
sugar simple syrup. So we're gonna go ahead and add that. Here we go.
All right. So a little sweet, a little
Yeah.
sour, and minty.
That's right. That's right.
This is gonna be one refreshing drink. I'm excited
It-
already.
It really is.
Oh, well, while you give that a good muddle, I'm gonna go get a little ice.
We do that every once in a while. Okay, so we're just going to kind of crush. We're not trying to tear and smash the mint. We're just trying to get the flavors released.
Gonna get loud over here.
And once we've got that, then we need plenty of ice in here. We also want to pack that bad boy with ice too.
All right.
Uh,
Oh, more. Sorry.
yeah, that's
That's not plenty.
not plenty. It was ice, but not enough. More, please, sir. Thank you.
That's all you get.
And now we're gonna shake it up. All right. Hear that?
Ooh. Release that pressure.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
It sure does smell good. It smells very fresh.
It does. It does smell very fresh. Now, some people won't put fresh ice in here and they'll go ahead and pour all of this concoction in there, but we are gonna strain. One, personal preference, I
Okay.
don't like little pieces of mint all up in my mouth.
Okay. Well,
2.
But I do.
Well, sucks to be you. Here we go.
Ooh.
Yeah, look at that.
You pour so slow.
If I went faster, it would hit these and go outside the drink.
Look,
He's a, uh-oh.
what is that? It's a piece of mint.
It is a piece of mint. Oh. Now, the recipe does say if you need to top it with soda, we can.
Oh, well,
So I would say we would need some soda, don't you?
yes.
Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. Once again, these little Fever Tree bottles give a good open sound.
I do. That's a good club soda.
It is, actually. Boom.
Ooh.
And you garnish it with a little mint and a lemon straw, and you're ready to go.
All right, well.
You want to try first? I mean, I want to go for it, but okay.
Thank you.
Now, does that taste like summer?
Oh my goodness, that is
That's awesome, isn't it?
very refreshing.
It's so aromatic, too. I can smell it.
The mint, the lemon, that is, I'm telling you. All right.
Oh,
Isn't it? Like that, I love fresh mint because it does give you such a fresh feeling, and that bourbon is really good, and it's not overpowering. It's not
Yeah.
like alcohol. These are drinks that you're enjoying and savoring, not
Yeah.
getting messed up on.
and it is a
That
little
is-
boozy, too, though.
But it's not like burny boozy.
Yeah, it's like you've got the flavor, but not the burn. Like when I drank that, it was almost like a bourbon lemonade, kind of, with some with some mint. I am not surprised this was very popular.
It needs to be popular again.
It does. This summer, it could be. I don't know what you're wanting. I mean,
More, please.
oh, well, this one's mine. I mean, you
Well.
did just learn the recipe.
Oh, so I've got to make it. Well,
Okay. Well, we're going to go enjoy some of these drinks.
we're going to make this cup full.
We are. We are. So don't forget to drink responsibly.